subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
Huawei has launched two new mid-range 5G phones under Enjoy series in China called Huawei Enjoy 20 and Enjoy 20 Plus. Both of these devices comes with a unique camera design, and among these two, the Huawei Enjoy 20 Plus is the higher variant. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Enjoy 20 Plus features a 6.63-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a large 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via nano memory card slot. As per the camera, the Huawei Enjoy 20 Plus supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a circular module at the top center that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP motorized pop-up selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on EMUI 10.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4200 mAh battery that supports 40 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.5 by 76.5 by 8.95mm and it weighs around 197 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Enjoy 20 Plus has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,299 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 2,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in Galaxy Silver, Magic Night Black, Philippine, and Sakura Snow Clear Sky color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from September 10th. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy 20 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSoul blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.